In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Chrome Remote Desktop. To begin, go to the computer that you want to control from another location. Once you are there, open Google Chrome. Chrome Remote Desktop is designed to work through the Chrome browser, so using Google Chrome will make the setup process straightforward. After Chrome is open, go to Chrome Remote Desktop. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Set up Remote Access. Click Set up Remote Access to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to add the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Look for the download icon and click it. The extension is what allows Chrome to support the remote access connection, so this part is required before you can continue. When the Chrome Web Store page opens, follow the prompt to add the extension. After that, Chrome Remote Desktop will ask for permission to continue the installation. Click Accept and Install. Once you click Accept and Install, a file will download to your computer. When the download is finished, open the downloaded installer file, then run it and allow the installation to complete. After the installation is complete, Chrome Remote Desktop will ask you to create a name for your computer. Choose a name that will help you recognize this device later. The name does not need to include personal details. It should simply be something clear and easy for you to identify. After entering the computer name, click Next. Now you will set a secure PIN. The PIN must be at least 6 digits long. This PIN is used to help protect access to the computer, so choose something that is not easy to guess. Avoid simple patterns or obvious number combinations. Once the computer name and PIN are set, click Start. When the setup is successful, the computer should appear as available for remote access. That means this device is now ready to be accessed remotely through Chrome Remote Desktop using the name you created and the secure PIN you selected. And that is all there is to it.